elves. Oddly enough, a lot of us go abroad. I lived in Vienna, my sister lived in New York and other to study, but most of us come back home. And it's not because of the weather, no. We're extremely proud of that heritage. Today, if you ask Icelanders if they believe in trolls, people would definitely say no. It's just part of, the old stories and the hidden people also. But the elves, nobody would say no. Because there's so many stories about the elves helping people, and then the other way around. Where I have a country house, there are definitely elves living there. The road is rather crooked in my neighborhood because when they were building up some of these houses, there's a lot of big rocks, supposedly where elf lives. And they were supposed to take them away and make the road straight. Then, oddly enough, all kinds of things started to happen. The machinery broke down. The guys there broke their arms and had all kinds of accidents. Then they had this dream that the elves came to them and told me, please, this is my house, leave it be. If you will do that, you will have a nice, life. And if you won't, something will definitely happen to you and your family. They decided, the workers there, they would not take the rocks away. So that's why the road there is crooked. And the name of the road is Álfhólsvegur, which means Elf Hill Street, if you translate it straight. And the school there is also called Álfhólsskóli. So my children went to that school. And my son was sure that he was seeing elves all the time there in this neighborhood. Everybody respects that. It's sort of just part of our, I don't know what it is. It's just part of the culture, the way we're brought up. And I think that's maybe general in the world, wherever you live. I mean, if you belong to a group of, and you feel secure, you feel it's sort of, you have the same, it's like here the culture, the language, the sense of humor is all there. And I think it doesn't matter if you live in Vienna or Austria or Germany, it's sort of the same, I think.